Have you ever wondered why people behave the way they do? Why some people fear heights while others crave the adrenaline rush of a roller coaster ride? Welcome to the fascinating world of psychology, the scientific study of the human mind and its functions. Today, we'll delve into the different types of psychology and shed light on how each one helps us understand the complexities of human behavior. First up is clinical psychology. This branch of psychology focuses on diagnosing and treating mental, emotional, and behavioral disorders. From anxiety to schizophrenia, clinical psychologists work tirelessly to alleviate suffering and improve the quality of life for their patients. They use a variety of techniques, including psychotherapy and behavior modification. Next, we have cognitive psychology. This area of psychology studies how we process information. It looks at how we perceive, remember, think, speak, and solve problems. Cognitive psychologists strive to understand how your brain interprets and responds to the world around you. They might explore why you remember certain events but forget others, or why you excel at solving complex puzzles but struggle with simple math problems. Then there's developmental psychology. This branch focuses on the growth and development of humans throughout their life. It looks at how we develop from infancy to old age, studying everything from motor skills to social interaction. Developmental psychologists might investigate why some children learn languages more quickly than others, or how our moral understanding evolves as we age. Occupational psychology, or industrial organizational psychology, applies psychological principles to the workplace. It aims to improve productivity, enhance employee job satisfaction, and promote the overall health of the organization. It might involve developing training programs, improving work-life balance, or advising on recruitment strategies. Social psychology is the study of how individuals affect and are affected by others. It explores how our thoughts, feelings, and behaviors are influenced by our social environment, including the people and groups around us. Social psychologists might look at group dynamics, prejudice, conformity, or interpersonal attraction. Finally, we have neuropsychology. This branch focuses on how the physical brain and behaviors are connected. Neuropsychologists study how brain injuries, diseases, and disorders impact behavior and cognition. They might help rehabilitate someone with a traumatic brain injury, or research how Alzheimer's disease affects memory. To summarize, clinical psychology diagnoses and treats mental disorders, cognitive psychology studies how we process information, developmental psychology focuses on human growth and development, occupational psychology applies psychological principles to the workplace, social psychology explores the influence of our social environment, and neuropsychology examines the connection between the brain and behavior. Each branch of psychology offers a unique perspective on human behavior, contributing to our overall understanding of the human mind. By studying these different types of psychology, we can get a better grasp on why people think, feel, and act the way they do. And with that understanding, we can work towards creating a healthier, happier society.